In this video, we'll go over Gala. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Gala? Gala Games aims to take the gaming industry in a different direction by giving players back control over their games. Gala Games' mission is to make blockchain games you'll actually want to play. The project wants to change the fact that players can spend hundreds of dollars on in-game assets, and countless hours spent playing the game, which could be taken away from them with the click of a button. It plans to reintroduce creative thinking into games by giving players control of the games and in-game assets, with the help of blockchain technology. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Gala Games is not a single game, but rather it offers an entire array of different blockchain games that places fun first and blockchain in the background. Town Star, its only currently playable game, is a town simulation that can be played in a browser. Players manage a town similar to the gameplay of SimCity, but in Town Star, they actually own the town. Vox is Gala Games' set of collectible NFT avatars. Each Vox is unique and some Voxes are rarer than others. In the initial drop, 8,888 Vox were distributed for an average price of 0.0888 ETH, or roughly $280 at the time of writing. Although inspired by Town Stars, Vox has other utility besides just being an NFT avatar. Holders can lock up Gala and earn VOCoin by playing with their Vox avatars in the future. Vox owners also get their own FBX file, which allows them to animate their avatars, or even 3D print them in the future. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 30 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.